Will the next 12 months be the best for your landscape service company? How to make this coming year the best year for you as a landscape service company owner. Would you like to make the next 12 months the best year yet? If yes, watch the short videos. The opportunity just arrived, right from Google. You are in for a pleasant surprise. You have no idea how your life will change in this coming year. Would you believe you can have as many leads, calls, and appointments as your heart wishes, and as many as you can possibly handle, and actually be paying less to acquire them? If you are looking for more calls, more bookings, and more revenue in the next 12 months, and don't want to spend as much as you had spent before on advertising and promoting your landscape service business, then keep watching these short videos. You'll be introduced to ways in which you can get not just views, and not just clicks that eat up your hard-earned money, but actual phone calls from homeowners searching online for a landscape service desperately. Would you like to know more? What if you could get actual calls, not just views, or wasteful clicks to landscape service? Most landscape service owners we have helped are looking for calls from homeowners interested in their service. Not just views, and not just clicks either. They have usually tried lots of other services, like PPC, Facebook ads, SEO, Angie's List, Groupon, Yelp, Home Advisor, and found out the hard way some very disturbing facts. 1. These are expensive. 2. The same leads are being sent to 5 others, so there's no exclusivity. 3. If you didn't respond right away, the leads that you were paying for went to someone else. An everyday tragedy and continuous loss to landscape service company owners like yourself. So now, working with Google, there is a new way which helps landscape service business owners just like you gain more paying customers via actual phone calls. This is pay-per-call advertising. I'll tell you more about this way of stopping this drain on your finances, increasing your calls, bookings, and revenue in the next video. I am eager to hear your opinion